Welcome in the Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is thought patterns that bring resistance. So this will be a sort of revision of everything you have learned this far. But they are really very important points as far as the way you are thinking, the way you are leading your life is concerned. They'll make a huge difference, and this revision will be like changing your vibration altogether or resetting the button of your vibration. So it is time you start vibrating high. You must always remember that you are an electromagnetic being all the time. Certain vibrations are being exuded from your body, and these vibrations are formed by your thoughts, words, and actions. So that means you are a vibrational being. Whatever you may be saying through your words, that doesn't make any difference because the universe and even other people around you can read your vibrations from far away. Now, what is most important is that you have to understand that you are not your thought. So become a witness of your thoughts. These thoughts are habitual thinking patterns. Same thoughts keep appearing every day, and that is how we keep creating same kind of life. But now once you become aware, you detach from your thoughts and become a witness of your thoughts, suddenly what will happen? These thoughts will start disappearing and you will come into a no thought zone. You will not be thinking anything. Now you are connected with the source, you are connected with your own inner being, your spirit, the source inside you. That is how you become limitless and you become full of positive energy. Another thing is you must remember that when somebody is not good to you, it is never about you. It is always about how these people are feeling, how that individual is feeling. You come back home and you say, oh, this person was not good to me. Do you know what this person said to me? But this is not about you at all. Why don't we remember this all the time? It is about how that person is feeling at a particular time. If this person is not feeling good, how can he exude positive energy towards you? You cannot give what you do not have. If I am angry, I cannot give you love and joy. I'll give you anger because that is what I have with me. So whenever you have a negative experience, don't keep repeating it in your mind because you are bringing that negative energy back into your present moment when you are creating your life. Everything you are thinking now in this present moment is creating your life for tomorrow. So be very careful of not thinking any negative instances again and again in your mind. Why should you revisit past negative energy? You also know that you cannot focus on two distinct quality of energies at one time. You cannot think negative thoughts and feel positive, and you cannot think positive thoughts and feel negative. So whenever you are not feeling good, whenever you are feeling less energetic, or life is not good, people are not good, your thought pattern is towards the downside. That means you are exuding low vibrations because of complaint, because of hatred, because of resentment. And the power lies within you. Change your thoughts and change your life. This is what every great person has always said. Change your thoughts, but then this will require a lot of awareness. Whenever somebody is not good to you, they say something which you do not like, don't complain about what they said. Then what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to think of what you want. Suppose you disrespected me. Why should I talk about why you disrespected me? Look at you, you are not behaving well. Instead, ask for more respect. Somebody did not appreciate you. Ask the universe for more of appreciation, and you'll be surprised to find that people and places and everything will align in your life. People who will appreciate more, people who will make you evolve, people who believe in you. So that is the kind of life you will create. And who started it? You. It all started with you, your belief, your thoughts. Because of what you thought, something appeared in your life. So that means everything you are encountering today is a sign from the universe. So what do you do if you are sick today? You have a choice. You have a choice to focus on how were you feeling when you were absolutely healthy, or how will you feel when you will become healthy. So this is how you use the power of visualization, power of your imagination, power of self-affirmations, and you create a beautiful life for yourself. Now, if you keep looking around and if you keep repeating stories about what is not good, look at these people, how they behave, what will happen? You'll keep getting more and more of what you are complaining about. Because where you focus on, that grows. So you have to shift your vibration. You have to shift your focus. You have to shift your thoughts. That means you have to make a shift in your thought pattern. As you change your thoughts, but then things are not going on well, and you ask me to be happy and dancing. That is mastery. When your outside circumstances do not create upheavals inside you, then you become a master. When you are not taking in that negative energy, instead you are creating positive energy inside through your good thoughts, words and actions, and now exuding how you feel positive and happy and joyful. That is when you start creating. That is when you become a master creator. Another point you have to remember every day is take care of your own business. Means do not go and start preaching. You know how everybody should live their lives. But don't speak that, because it is going to put you into unnecessary arguments, petty disputes, and you will be lowering your vibrations. Mind your own business. That is becoming selfish. You are not selfish. You are giving the other person freedom to learn, like you have learned. Keep learning. They are always watching you. They will learn from your behavior. They will learn from the difference you are making in your own life. Some positive change will be seen in your life, and then this will be noticed by others, and then they will feel like learning from you. They will look and learn. So give them the opportunity and the time to learn in their own way. They have their own spirit, and you follow your own spirit. What is required by you is to keep aligned with your own inner spirit. That is how you vibrate high all the time and attract every good thing. Your feelings are very important. From time to time, just check on your feelings every hour. Just check on how you are feeling. You should be feeling enthusiastic, energetic, full of positive energy. You must be feeling creative, full of inspirational ideas. Let me do this, that. Full of enthusiasm for life itself. That is how you should live your life. Colorful, bright, and loving your life, wanting to do things in your life. That is how you must feel all the time. That will show that you are on the right path. You are thinking the right thoughts. Your diet is not only what you are having. Your diet is also what you are watching. What are you hearing from others? The people you are surrounded with. So you always have an option of ignoring and choosing what type of company you want to be surrounded with. So that is a choice you have to make with lot of awareness. People are not bad. It is just that you don't vibe with some people, so you can always give them love from a distance. That's it. Everybody is connected. Everyone is you actually. It is another facet of your own personality. You don't have to judge everybody as good and bad. You just don't feel nice with somebody or doing something. Don't do it at that time, because it only shows you are not aligned with that work, with that person, with your own authentic self at that time. So you will have to really work hard, and you don't have to work hard, you have to do inspired action to get positive outcome in anything, to get positive results in anything. Another thing is, remember to raise your vibrations. How do you raise your vibrations? By having a lot of fun. Go and exercise. Go out and sit in nature. Be in gratitude for all that you have. You cannot have an unhappy journey. I don't feel good with this person. My wife, my husband, my children, everybody bothering me all the time. Now you are unhappy and you want to reach a place of happiness. That is not possible. You have to be satisfied and happy where you are. But then things are not going on well. How should I be happy? Look for those things which make you feel good. There must be something that makes you feel good. Something that is still going on well in your life. Focus on that. Now when you feel good, more good things will come. You'll attract like energy. You are exuding energy and attracting similar energetic things in your life. So everything you are experiencing in your life is your own creation, good and bad, both. So everything is attraction. All the time you are attracting people, places, experiences, everything, abundance, good health. And sometimes certain things come to teach you a few lessons of patience, perseverance, goodness, faith. You are being tested for your faith. So it is not that obstacles are bad, failures are bad, sometimes you are feeling sick. It is not a bad thing. You don't have to feel guilty about anything. It is just that these experiences have come to, put that shine, and it is like a test of your faith. You have faith and things will change for the better for sure. That's how life goes. So you have to have faith and just keep going positively in your chosen path. Do you know that 95% of your life is being run by your subconscious mind, and this subconscious mind doesn't question you at all. You say you are not good and it says okay. It is like your genie. You say I am great, I am doing well, I am marvelous, and it says yes you are, and it will start creating a life where you'll get more things that align with that marvelous self of yours. So take care, be aware of your self-affirmations. What are you imagining? When you worry, it is wrong use of imagination. So don't worry. When you have faith, you will never worry. Instead, pray. Ask for what you desire. Believe that whatever you desire, expect it, that it is coming into your life. So feel positive and good all the time, regardless of what is happening outside in your life. For your desires to manifest, you have to raise your vibrations to the same frequency of your desires. When you align with the frequency at which your desires are vibrationally already present, then that is the time when you will manifest your desires. And it can happen now, it can happen in the next hour, only when you let it flow to you, when you are not resisting the flow of everything good towards you. How do you resist? Through your thoughts, words and actions. So let them be positive. That is how you will just let everything beautiful flow into your life. So that means, have you seen that whenever you are suffering, it is your memory that is making you suffer. Is there a past? There is nothing like past. The past is over. That energy is gone. Is there a future? There is nothing like future. Man proposes, God disposes. You may plan anything, but you do not know what will happen tomorrow because there is a higher power taking care of this universe. You are also a part of that universe. That same universe is within you also. But it all depends on how you are using this limitless power to create your life. You are creating your life in this present moment. So let go the past. Don't think about the future. It will only create more anxiety. Take care of this present moment. What are you doing in this now? What are you thinking in this now? How are your actions in this now? But yes, always be kind to yourself. If something doesn't serve you, then say no to it. That is not being unkind. You are being kind to yourself first. Once you are kind, you will be happy and joyful, and then you will exude joy and happiness into your outer world, and so many people will feel happy when they are around you. So, your memory is the cause of your suffering. Let it go. All that you have is this present moment. Whether people are good to you or not, just give them unconditional love from a distance. Because you love yourself also. Give them love from a distance. Give them unconditional love. Even if they are not good, you are giving love because you are trying to become a better person. So you see who comes in your own way, nobody else, only you. Once you move out of your own way, wherever you are, if you feel sometimes that you are not at the right place, how will those opportunities come to you? Remember, wherever you are now, your vibration is reaching everywhere. And so all that you seek will come to you where you are. That is the magic of the universe, and this is such a positive statement. This is something which will make you believe in everything that you have ever believed and thought about. All your desires can come true. Everything, every desire you have ever thought in your mind can come true because of this one belief that wherever you are, you can make your dreams come true. By aligning with those dreams, by raising your vibrations, by raising your level of consciousness. Because as you raise your level of consciousness, you exude a different kind of light, a different kind of aura, a different kind of vibration, which can be felt and seen by people from miles and miles away. So, why won't your opportunities, all that you have ever desired, all that you have ever sought for, why won't they recognize and align with your vibration? Once this alignment takes place, wherever you are standing, those desires, those manifestations will come to you. And wherever you are right now, your life will change right there. Nothing can be more positive than this. This makes you limitless. So all that you have to do is be joyful, align with the right vibration, exude pure positive light and beautiful vibrations by thinking good thoughts, good actions, good words. Your genie is your subconscious mind. It is always at work, and you will know what is in your subconscious mind through your dreams. This is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is always so beautiful to connect with you. I always keep thinking about you, and that is how I get inspiration about various topics. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being here. I wish abundance, peace, beautiful life, lot of love, good health in your life. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay smiling. Life is always very beautiful. It all depends on where your focus is. So keep smiling. Thank you so much. Namaste.